Hello, Scott Melger up here at SkipperBud's in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. Have here is a 2022 MasterCraft XT-23. All white. You can see with the gold logo and insets. Sitting on a tandem axle, of course, MasterCraft trailer with a swing tongue. Beautiful all-white boat. Of course, this boat is equipped with SurfStream, which is MasterCraft's surf system. Easy to dial up either a mellow or a steep wave, depending on the rider and what you want to do back there behind the boat. Got a nice walk up into the boat here. Nice little spot where you can sit and put boards on. You do have some really nice seating back here. Flips up, and actually these actually slide out a little bit. So you can see how that slides out there and slides back in. Very nice comfortable seating if you're just hanging out. Boat's equipped with the tan interior. A couple tower speakers, of course all Klipsch audio. You get a nice walkthrough right into the boat. It's got the 7-inch touchscreen, of course, with the traditional gauges. You have a wireless charger down below. This boat is rated for 16 people. Nice little trash can there. Your traditional bow, this does have the playpen insert. Again, that is removable, so if you like to walk through, it's available. This boat is equipped with the Ilmore 6-liter. Couple nice features they've added is some nice phone holders, nice places to keep your phones up and dry. This, of course, does have the pass-through storage, so lots of storage in the side here. This one does have some storage here as well above the ballast tanks, which is nice. And a nice easy fold and tower as well. Of course, all MasterCrafts come with a clamping board rack standard. This boat does have the bimini with surf sleeves as well. So there you have it. If you have any other questions or you'd like some more info, please give us a call.